Wait until him reach right here, sir. Whoa! Come on! Wait until him reach. Oh my God. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
I popped the balloon because he asked me to do a 360, and then on top of that, you got a motive behind it.
No, it's not a motive
You
behind
got a
it.
vagina on your shirt.
So wait, hold on.
You
Come
see
and have a up on my shirt. So you want man for walk with body on them shirt?
No,
I support
no,
body
no.
man world. A pum pum worldwide. That was
Okay.
said. So if you want money man with body on shirt, but a body man you look for. Next.
Greetings and welcome back to the Yjaye Nature Life channel. Today is Poptheballoonorfindlove in Jamaica. What in this video is Florida, America. What state is Florida? Leave in the comments. But yeah, it has Jamaica people in it, so let's go.
Alright, watch channel, make sure to leave a like and subscribe below. I know I feel good.
Yeah, man, leave
Thank
a
you for the
like,
support,
leave a like.
thank you for the love. I love you, okay? No, I really love you because what? You like the video, you comment.
Yeah.
Yo, if my tongue in the video, it's because we have
Exactly,
some females in the
same way,
lineup.
same way.
We don't understand Jamaican.
Okay, so twang means speak proper English. Basically, if you're Jamaican, twang means speak proper English. Like, yeah, basically,
Okay?
just like that.
I'm gonna talk English and
What did you say?
Jamaicans, okay? If my tongue in the video, it's because we have some females in the lineup. We don't understand Jamaicans, okay? I'm gonna talk English. Is that okay? Okay, alright, so I forgot to talk English. So people from Jamaica, nobody say really a twang. Yeah? Me have to do this thing, yeah? So we're gonna send in the first mail. Are you guys ready? Oh, you want me to talk in Jamaican? Alright, watch out now.
Man say, they always say talk in Jamaica, it's called patois. Patois.
Send in the
Listen,
first mail.
alright.
Like always, Daddy night. Let's
Give
do
my
this.
like, can you
Wait there. Please like the video.
like the video. Listen to her, man. Listen to me too.
Thank you. Wait until
Thank
you
you.
chat as well.
I wanna sell her.
Can you light post I give make everybody see current the property? E.
Alright. Introduce
Of
yourself.
chips.
We in Rocket boys.
They said chips, man.
YG. Alright.
We in Rocket.
What type of job you do?
Sell biscuit and juice, you know.
Money maker anywhere that
Entrepreneur, got an e-commerce
What's
website,
that?
distribution,
Alright.
sell to Bravo.
Okay, sell online too.
Okay. Alright, I got it. Yeah, alright. What's the type though?
Hey y'all, come look at this.
Boy, that line up here, man, it's like a box. Everything. I like her. I like her. Everybody's beautiful. Let's you know.
Really?
Everybody's beautiful.
Yeah. So you don't have a
Really,
type?
man.
Of course, I have a type.
Yeah. Like,
Oh, okay. So my type would be a person that's into me, way like travel, and somebody that's alright. Somebody where
She don't like to
Love you.
travel.
remember you know a traveler.
loving.
loving. No, but alright then. So we got some pops. So we're gonna find out why them pop the balloon, okay?
Alright, let's find out.
Alright, we want to start with first? Start right here?
Alright. Can't guarantee you see it. But you like spicy or like sweet?
Sweet.
Sweet, alright.
The girl go to
Hustler.
sweet to the
Match your
baby.
personality, you know? Yeah, boy.
Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
I'm CC. I bought my balloon up.
That's okay.
Why is that here?
I bought my
Haiti. I say
balloon
Haiti flag.
because just the way that he was saying, like someone into me, it didn't necessarily sound like he would be into the girl. Like, yeah, he'll be into the girl, but it's just how it came off was more so like, I get you want your girl to be about you, but it's just I wanted to hear something different.
No problem.
You see, on the Pop the Balloon, I always see people pop and then ask for explanation after. They should just ask, for the explanation of what they really mean about what they say, instead of just popping just like that, because the reason that she gave doesn't really make sense to me. Oh, yeah, she knows he'll be interested in a girl, but she don't want someone interested in her or whatever. Like, you're supposed to be interested in each other. I don't know why she have a problem with that.
But I never mean it that way. Probably
Exactly.
just dialect off. You know?
Exactly.
Yeah. I'm from Florida.
You see, I'm a Jamaican, so the way I say it, probably you just never understand. But I understand.
Yeah. All right. So how much you rate him from 1 to 10 now?
I give him a 10. He's clean. The way you dress is nice.
Thank you.
Nice beard, nice hair. How you speak, you know, and then you got your things going for you. So,
Appreciate it.
yeah.
All right. Based on her appearance, what you think about her?
Come on, tell it. Everybody's 10. You know?
She's a
style,
Everybody's
like
10.
the jeans jacket with the Rick Owens.
Thank
But I tell my
you.
dog about it, you know. Good style. Fashionable. Everybody fashionable.
Thank you.
Alright?
All right.
Yeah.
All right. Go down the line.
Alright.
Your name? Wipe out the balloon.
Tosh, you don't have a type, and that's the problem.
Oh, really? That sucks.
Okay, so can I explain why? So a type is basically on physical features, which that's not the thing for me. It's more of a bond what we have together. So you can be tall, you can be black, you can be short. It doesn't matter. You know, the type is not a thing where I'm looking for physical feature. I'm looking for somebody that's emotional and somebody that's in, you know?
Okay, if that's so, then when they ask who is it, what is their type, you should say not physically but mentally or personality wise, this is my type. But that's what he's explaining, but that's what you should say, you know?
Yeah, not just a physical person.
So you don't primarily
Go off
get
looks.
attracted based off of looks?
No. No.
Why they pop because of that?
Alright.
You have a problem with that?
Because then you're attracted to anything.
No,
I'm just saying,
You couldn't
I
be
don't know
attracted
who
to
my
anything.
competition is gonna be.
No, it couldn't be a
And-
competition.
I'm just saying, I don't know who to look out for.
No worries.
And if I can't watch my own back, then
That's fine.
You know,
That's fine.
so
But when you're with somebody, you shouldn't really look out for anybody trying to get your man or your woman. You should look at them. If you know you and your person, you have a good connection together, then you shouldn't worry about other people out there. You now understand what you're saying. Oh, yo, too much to look behind you and thing. Yeah, you must look behind you and make sure your head back guard up and thing, but you see me?
All right. So based on him appearance, how much you rate him?
so you smell good.
Oh, thanks. You know,
Yeah, you put yourself together real good, but yeah.
But-
So you can have a 9.
all right,
Okay.
thank you.
Yeah.
You rate the
Come
Jamaican,
on, straight.
number 1.
Straight 10.
Yeah, man.
First,
Couldn't be lying.
first one.
Come on,
He's toxic again.
Oh, go on.
Hi.
All right.
So I don't have a problem with him. He can have a 10 as well. My problem with you is that you said something about
She look like she
you
born
don't
in
have like
Jamaica.
a physical type.
She look like she
So
born in
I will have to
Jamaica.
be watching all the bitches because I don't know if you like black bitches, white bitches, tall bitches, skinny bitches.
Yeah.
I don't know. So if I
Okay.
see you with a bitch, I don't know if that's your type or
No,
if that's your.
if
You
me and you
know?
attack, you couldn't see me with nobody. You
I've
understand?
heard a lot.
This is only for you, but all right.
Okay. But he's a 10.
He's a 10.
Yes.
Thank you.
Look at this dude.
All of a sudden, and what me do?
My future, my hope, all my sorrows, all my struggles, all my hopes. What will I do? I can't even resist.
I don't know.
What me do?
You're not getting the
I
cheat
think- I
chicks.
think they're
but
jealous,
you
you
want
know.
a cheat chick. Yeah, big sports.
See, I knew she born in Jamaica. You can just tell. You can just tell by how they look, facial features. Where they're born,
All right, son.
you man, she born in
I'm such a
Jamaica.
I must say true my kind for real, you know, because
Exactly.
all of a sudden,
What more do you want from me?
At the hustling.
Everybody stop. Pop, 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 pop.
it's her.
All right.
She and her dog. Yes, miss.
All right. Your name? Wipe out the balloon.
My name
Right,
is Lori,
yes.
Yeah.
and I popped the balloon because my chain's bigger.
Your chain bigger than
I got
mine.
a bigger chain than you.
you serious?
but
Oh,
you
no,
have
this
a
is just
really
my
nice.
weed chain still.
What?
What kind of
Yeah.
petty thing is that? Because your chain bigger than his. Yo, pull it up, pull it up, pull
Story.
it up, pull it
Yeah.
up.
And
Right, this.
I popped the balloon because my chain's bigger.
Your chain bigger than
I got a
mine?
bigger chain than you, but
Oh,
you
no,
have
this
a
is just
really
my weed
nice.
chain still.
What?
Yeah,
Your chain? You have a bigger chain than his?
it's bigger. So as a female, you know, it just don't work like that for me.
I don't know.
I don't understand. Is that a code?
No, I just if I'm
She love
rocking
bling,
big
bling,
jewelry,
bling
my
too
man gotta
much.
rock big jewelry. But that's just my preference.
So how she don't know today he just chose to wear a smaller chain? Because some girls say, oh, you're too flashy. Some girls say, you're not flashy enough. So you can't sue everybody, just be yourself. You know what I'm saying?
Chain.
Yo.
Okay.
Pull out cheese tricks, baby.
But you do have like I like your personality,
Well,
I
actually,
like how
it's
you're
really-
driven, you got your business, which I like that.
Alright.
So how much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
9.
9?
You look good.
Rating both are.
Yeah, man.
Everybody rate him high,
You
man.
know. And she's a heavy machine. Could I manage? You see what I say?
Yeah? Who?
What that mean?
Said you heavy, mommy.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Too happy.
Yeah. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
Victoria. I like that you're a businessman. I like
Yeah.
how you have your chips, you came prepared. I don't like how you have the money in your hand.
Oh, I never get her chips. Which one do you like? The spice? Like this? Which one are you eating right
It's
now?
just a Jamaica style,
Okay.
man.
Thank you. You see, they're
No money,
good.
Like
man.
it,
These
yeah.
are your brand. Shout out to you made these chips.
Yeah,
These are yours.
I sell a lot of Caribbean stuff.
But okay.
Yeah.
Are these are yours or you're selling it?
I'm a distributor.
Oh, you're distributing. So,
Yeah.
Okay.
So I work
All
with the
right.
brands.
That kind of changes things.
Okay.
But I feel like you're a little too friendly. I don't know. No.
To the mouth. Nice.
Okay, well, I mean,
I don't
trying to
really
be
like
mean to
friendly
everybody.
men. You know, I feel like this. You don't have a type. Like that's a lie.
Okay.
Be for real. You definitely have a type.
What if I did something like everybody here? I'd be like, what? How if I like everybody?
Me
had the jealous city here.
Like you see, you're being too friendly. I
You're
don't like
a
that.
fool
Have
too
a
much,
type.
man.
Have a
Oh, I'm too friendly?
specify. I like a man that knows what he wants.
All right, then. I can't live with that.
So how much should I rate him from 1 to 10?
I like your style.
Yeah.
Cute. I
Thank
would say 8.
8? Yeah, perfect.
Yeah, what you think about her?
9. Same way. You know?
9.
Thank you.
Yeah, man.
Yeah?
Yeah. Hola, mommy.
Hi. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
I'm Fifi. I popped the balloon because he's too friendly.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like too womanizer.
Womanizer?
Womanizer. Gallus, yeah.
Alice.
Alright.
See, you have a snack for everybody.
Yeah, and I have one for you.
Thank
We just
you. I
have to
love
share the
Bigfoot.
love,
Yeah,
you
man.
know?
Alright, so how much should I rate him from 1 to 10?
I rate him an 8 because he looks really good.
8 out of 10.
Yeah.
What you like about him?
Everything. Like he's well put together.
Thank you.
Nice smile.
Yeah.
Soft spoken. Just too friendly.
Too friendly?
Yeah.
Alright, what you think about her?
Yeah, man. 9 out of 10, same, man.
9 out of 10?
Yeah. I mean, I like her outfit, you know. She put it together. She in a Y2K era. She have the...
You see me, if I go on this show, and they go rate me 9, 10, or anything like that, I'm not rating them higher than that. They rate me 8, they get in an 8 or less, 'cause I'll be honest. But even if they're 10 to me, and they rate me 8 or 9, I'm rating them 8 or 9.
With the
I'm not
thing,
rating
you know?
them 10.
She are going good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Straight.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, for sure. Yeah, you can get a big foot.
I didn't like this one.
No, for sure. Alright.
Alright, Osla.
Sorry, so she pop fair balloon.
You
Swear.
should be sorry. So,
Yeah.
Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
so my name is Miss Big, and I popped my balloon because, like, I need a man that's, like, reserving his resources for me alone, and you're giving everyone your resources. So
You know-
I don't really, like that, right?
This is nothing. You should have come out the warehouse. That's what me want me watching, you baby. Me and you did start the show. Yeah, boy.
Well, well, you give everyone your resources, so it's not.
Oh, so you not like him,
Yeah,
man.
she not like that. But me still have a big foot for her
Why are
still.
you giving everybody, you know,
A
you're gonna
snack?
come home now, you give everybody for free, you're gonna come home with nothing, and what am I gonna get?
Everything.
You feel me?
Hold on, hold on,
But thank you, he gave me 2.
Yeah, because But that pre style.
So how much did I rate him based on his appearance?
He has a really nice smile. He seems really sweet, you know, and I love that like you're doing your thing, you know. I'd give him a 7.5.
7.
Good?
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah? Okay. All right. What do you think about that
10,
appearance?
Actually.
Yeah.
10 out of 10. I like
No, I'm a 10 for real.
Like I hear him like everything about him, like our outfit.
Me too.
Put together.
Confidence.
You know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Nice still.
That good?
Like your smile.
Thank you.
Yeah. You must see something right here.
I don't know.
Yeah, like a chemistry.
Yeah, then boy, you see something right here.
Something can change, you know. We never
Mm-hmm.
know. But I really would have my eye
The
on.
world may never know.
Well, you know, the show's soon done, so we can see what's going on.
All right.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. So today you never get oh,
what y'all do to my career?
Sorry, my bad. My bad. My bad. My bad.
No, man. No.
Damn. You
Couldn't get
caused
a
that.
match.
You caused that.
No, I mean
you caused
no.
it. Because she have a
Wow.
for morning.
Just like that.
You see? You
So like a bomb.
No, me never up against me. Because she that pre the chips. She did alright.
All right, man, we'll find out why.
And our evening.
Not in the earth.
All right, so hold on. Your name? Why pop the balloon? All of a sudden you had your balloon, but
My name
why?
is Barbie Bands. Hi, Bookie. I popped my balloon because y'all forgot that I was down here with my balloon. So I felt like he should have been more pressed. I feel like you was talking a lot to all the bitches. Excuse me, can I say that on YouTube? Okay. I felt like you was talking a lot to all the females in here when I clearly had my balloon waiting for you. I feel like you should have made it short, like, boom, you were 7, you were 6, you were 3, you were, you know, but you didn't.
Well, none of them on a 7 baby.
And patience is a virtue, and you didn't come down here for me, baby boo, so you gotta go.
Alright, may I go out with
Bring the
Grace?
next man in.
Oh, so basically you're
Bring in the next man.
all right. Based on her appearance, how much did I rate her?
Yeah, I get her 7.
Currently sitting against us.
Get her 7?
Good thing I popped my balloon, shit. Good thing I popped my balloon, because he said she was a 10, she was a 10, she was a 10. And then, no, he said I'm a 7, like.
My friend Heavy said he gotta go.
Okay.
I mean, he a little heavy, too, to be honest, like.
Heavy?
Trying to be funny, but yeah. I ain't trying to be funny. I'm not trying to be funny.
Heavy meaning what that mean?
Heavy, like, you could tell he don't work out for real.
He got titties, he got a little stomach, he got a little thing. Yeah.
See it in his face, he don't work out.
Oh,
Okay.
Right here.
All right.
She get not even know just because
You gotta lay off the chips, brother.
Lay off the chips. Yeah.
All right, come to this side.
Some chips though.
I'm okay, I already had some.
Oh, you have some.
All right, come to this side.
Yeah. You never get none?
I got no snacks. I probably rated you the highest.
Yeah, I have the non-spicy. Spicy. No, so much, baby. If I come out the warehouse. Yeah, can't get it. Share it up with Yana. Share it up with Yana.
No. For me.
Yes, spicy.
I rated you the highest.
Yeah, come to this side, Majid.
Shall I put the big foot in her?
Huh?
You see, shall I put the big foot there, so.
All right, so every female pop their balloon.
Yeah.
So you know what you have to do, right?
For what I could be.
What I could do, Majid.
Boss, respect.
I don't know where me I go, but me I walk with fear. Yeah, walk with fear.
Alright, baby, later.
Ties them a let go rain, me no call this tear.
Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait?
Walk with grace.
Thank you.